Good afternoon and welcome to the training program on Hidoctor. Yeah, I'll be covering following topics. While first is login details, which is already shared with you. Then customer 360. Then what are the reports under dashboard? Then joining an attrition graph. Then predefined reports. Then tracking of geofencing. Then monthly activity analysis, and under activity HD how to approve expense claim and DCR, and explain mobile reporting. So all these topics I'll be covering. URL to open Hidoctor is gino.hidoctor.me. So these details will come to you via email and also on your mobile. So you'll get a text message as well as email. So URL is gino.idoctor.me. So this is your login screen. So you can put your user ID and password, which is provided by us. So I will just click on sample user ID just to show you these menus. Rohit 50811. This is a web login. You have two logins. One is web login and one is app login. So for daily reporting, you will be using your app login, that is on your mobile. So DCR is done only on mobile, not on web. Web is only to view the reports. So most of the time you will be using your mobile app and not the web. Web, in case you require any reports, some approvals are pending, or this is approvals are for managers. So then you have to go to your web login. So now I'm showing you through web login how to approve and how to see your customer list, and then what are the reports available in web login. So as I told you, in customer 360 menu, there is something called customer master. So if you click on this customer master, okay, you can see what are the doctors available under you. So here you can see this the doctor number is 203. So actually it should be for Shakti and Shaurya, it should be 200, number should be 200 doctors, and for clean care it is 110. Okay, this is a number defined. So here you can see these are the um, doctors, these are the customers available. And down below, if you scroll down, you can see this doctor name, and besides the doctor name there is a small pen like symbol. This is nothing but edit. You can edit the doctor information. If you click on this symbol, that pen like symbol, edit option, you will get all the details of the doctor. Now this doctor name you cannot edit. If you want to edit a name, it's always you have to add a new doctor, but you cannot edit a doctor. You can modify the doctor name, but the rest of the things you can modify. Here the category. Category is, you have to select the category from these four categories are assigned for you, that is platinum, diamond, gold and silver. So any one you can assign it to. To select that, you have to select which category you want. Then specialty, what specialty doctor he is, pediatric surgeon, then orthopedics, plastic surgeon, whatever. So whatever is applicable, you select that specification, and you can move further. This is MDL number. This is very important, MDL number. So this number should not get repeat. Then if it is repeated, then your entry will not get saved and submitted. So this is very important. This has to be unique. Now suppose you have a 200 doctor list, then you want to add one or two new doctors. So first always delete unwanted doctors. and deletion has to be approved by your manager. Once deletion is approved by your manager, then only you add new doctors. And always remember, you have to give the higher up number. So you have a 200 doctor list, so you always give 201, 202, like that. Or if you are not sure of the number, you start with 300. You can give 300, 301, like this. So never repeat the number. So if you repeat the number, it will give you an error. So then you have to click on this next button. Then you can add these further details like state, city, phone number, mobile number. Mobile number is mandatory. Always you have to mention the mobile number and PIN code. These two things are mandatory. You always have to enter this information. Then date of birth, date of anniversary, if you have that also you can update. And then next you click, and at the end you have to click on submit to save this entry. If you don't click on submit, your entry will not get saved. Remember this. So since this is a live data, I am not saving this. So this is how you modify your customer master. Okay. So then I will take you to other menus what are available. Okay. Now this is again we are back to the main screen. Here you can see this activity HD. Under activity HD there is something called alerts. This alert is also available on your mobile app. So that is also very important, alerts that I will show you on your mobile. Okay, I'll share the mobile screen and later on I'll show you. So here this messaging is there. Is suppose your manager or suppose management want to send you some message, some information, it will be available here. Our management or IT team can use this. Change password. If you want to change your password, you can use this option. Notice board. This is again used by management or IT team. Okay, and my documents. These are not much importance to you, so you can just ignore this. So then expense claim. So every month, once you finish feeding your DCR, day-to-day DCR, you have to claim your expense. Now suppose you have entered a DCR from 1st January to 31st January. So that DCR then you have to claim. So this is the way you have to claim. You have to click, you have to give your number. By default, it will come your the month will come. You just click on search, and all the details you will see from 1 to 31st details, and then there will be option to submit. Once you submit, it will go for a further approval to your manager. So this is just one step you have to do at every month end. Once you finish your DCR, you can do the same night, 31st night, or you can do the next day on 1st. So you have to complete this before 5th of every month.